Welcome to the SAP at a Glance YouTube channel. My name is Nudias. The aim of this channel is to share SAP knowledge via tutorial videos, and the technology is the SAP S for Hana on-premise. We are doing a full lifecycle implementation based in finance and controlling, starting from the creation of the company code until the payment to vendors and customers, closing routines, etc. Basically, we cover the financial business processes. We have customized videos which help consultants to create business processes. Master data videos related to finance and controlling. Transactional videos which allow to show how to post business processes. And Fiori apps videos. In those videos, we use the code from SAP GUI and the correspondent Fiori app. So then the audience can check the old and the new. Then they can decide whether they prefer to use the old or the new for their needs. For the Fiori apps that do not have correspondent in the SAP GUI, we only create videos with those Fiori apps itself. This channel is for SAP consultants, SAP key users, SAP end users, and for the people that do know nothing about SAP and want to learn SAP from the zero. The tutorial videos that we produce for this channel cover all of this audience. And the aim is to show that it's not difficult to learn SAP. To inspire people to learn SAP. It's not difficult. If I was able to learning and I'm still learning, you also can do it. And please do not forget, subscribe to this channel, share it within your network, so then YouTube can deliver these videos to more people.